how to move sections on your Wix website. So right here at your Wix website editor, you want to click the desired section that you want to move. For example, I want to move this section that contain this video. And after you click on your sections, you want to choose on this two arrow right here. Either you want to move it down or you move it up. You can just click on it and then it will automatically go down. And to move it up, you can just click on move section up and it will go up. And there you go. Or you can just do a right click on the section. And then right here, you can choose whether to copy or cut it. If you choose on cut, then the section right here will be gone in the first place, but it will still be there if you choose on copy. For example, I want to copy it, and then you can just paste it anywhere you like. For example, I want to make it at the bottom. And keep in mind that the section you just copy or cut will appear on top of the section that you choose to paste it. For example, I want to paste it on the footer right here. Click on paste, and then the section will appear on top of the footer. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.